It's bigger, longer, and stronger than anything I've driven before. Coming soon to 10 is our documentary on building the ultimate 4x4. And take you through every step from inception.
We're kind of building a tiny house, aren't we? I mean,
Pretty much.
To engineering.
Brake testing is go. What about swerve testing?
Swerve testing could be a little bit interesting. I would rather keep it shiny side up.
To driving. This Aussie-built masterpiece is simply something else.
That is crazy.
With a canopy and camping setup that will make you smile
That's incredible.
and maybe even drool just a little.
Would you look at that, guys? My very first beer in the new system.
It's the ultimate touring 4x4. Don't miss it.